In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google reviews onto your Squarespace site seamlessly. This process is straightforward and effective, allowing you to showcase customer testimonials and enhance your website's credibility. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to select a third-party service that will help you display those reviews on your site. There are a few good options out there, such as ElfSite, SociableKit, and Embed Social. These platforms are user-friendly and designed with integration in mind. The great news is that you can begin with a free account, so go ahead and sign up with your chosen service. During the registration process, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows the service to access your Google business profile, pulling in those valuable reviews you want to display. Follow the guided instructions provided by the service for a smooth connection. Once your account is set up and connected, it's time to personalize your review widget. The platform you're using will offer an editor feature where you can customize various aspects of the widget. Pay attention to the look, layout, fonts, and colors to ensure they align beautifully with your Squarespace site's aesthetic. Taking the time to get this right will provide a cohesive and appealing look that attracts visitors' attention and instills trust. After customizing your widget to perfection, you'll receive a unique embed code from the service. This code is what you'll need to display the reviews on your Squarespace site. So go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. We're now ready for the second part of our task: adding the widget to your Squarespace site. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, open the website editor. Navigate to the specific page where you'd like to showcase your reviews and click Edit. This will open up the editing interface for that page, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Next, you'll want to add a code block. Look for the Add Block icon, click on it, and then select Code from the array of block options presented to you. In the content area of this new code block, paste the embed code you earlier copied from the third-party service. With the code in place, it's crucial to save what you've just added to ensure the new widget appears as intended. Afterward, proceed to save the entire page and publish it to make your changes live on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded your Google reviews on your Squarespace site, creating a robust and authentic presentation that can build trust and engagement with your visitors. Enjoy seeing your customers' feedback proudly displayed, adding an extra layer of credibility to your online presence.